It should be fine, there is nothing downwind now.
Already?
North Weald Radio, Weald 10, ready for departure.
Good 10, nothing to bed departure, the wind 05010.
Weald 10 lining up and taking off.
Golf, November Golf, nothing further for you now, free call en route, speak to you later.
Golf, November Golf, free call en route.
Okay, stop rolling on the runway and let's go, because you just...
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Hand on the control column. Find that center line. You start off the takeoff run not really on the center line. Rotate.
We'll 03, do you want the RP?
Negative, we'll depart from here, Weald 03.
Okay.
5.
Flaps up. Landing light.
North Weald Radio, student Academy 05, request airfield information for flight to the northeast.
Student Academy 05, sorry I missed where you're going.
For local flight to the northeast, student Academy 05.
Roger, 02 left-hand circuits, QNH1014.
QNH1014, 02 left-hand circuit.
Academy 06, ready for departure.
Academy 06, roger, the wind 0607.
Academy 06, lining up 02.
Traffic and November on the RP and this is departure.
Well, 2nd November, roger, nothing to fetch, line up 02.
Line up 02, traffic and November.
Cool, 2nd November, surface wind 06010.
Traffic and November.
Weald 10 down in Portage Grove.
Weald 03, hold Bravo 1, ready to depart.
Here's a brakes release.
Traffic and November rolling.
Fix on the carriage mixture reach. Carb hit on.
We'll 03 behind the Cherokee, crossing right to the left, nothing to fetch, wind 06014.
H10.
Roger, Weald 03, lining up behind. Academy 06, right hand turn aboard the village.
Yeah.
More left. You are all vaping at the moment.
And Student Academy 05 at Bravo 1, request backtrack to URP.
Academy 05, visual the traffic, base and final.
Student Academy 05 holding at Bravo 1.
Okay, once that one's gone past, be nothing to fetch your backtrack.
Again, like I said to you,
Yeah.
pick up the wing, don't let it, because it's just going to get worse. Watch the speed, load on us, load on us, load on us, load on us.
Okay, radar, this is Weald 04, requesting radio check.
Reduce the power.
04, showing 5 plus detail.
Reduce the power more, full flash.
10, 03010.
Full time.
That's Weald 04 at the hangar to the apron 4, request airfield information from North Weald to North Weald to the east to POB.
02 left-hand circuits, QNH1014.
Left-hand 02, QNH1014, Weald 04.
Keep blowing the nose, keep blowing the nose.
Contact Canadian Mechanics, Farnborough 123225.
Reduce the power.
Free call, Farnborough East, enjoy.
Thanks, ladies, sir.
Reduce the power, reduce. Keep correcting for the wind. Because I keep having to tell you, see, you left of the central line. That's it. Where am I going here? Parking on idle. Eyes to the
Idle.
end of the runway. Oops. No, too much. This is where you want to hold it, yeah? And just gentle rudder
North
control
Weald,
there.
Bravo Lima,
That's
uniform,
it.
Victor, taxi for local flight to the
Off.
east, copy
Find the central line, smoothly at full
02,
power.
left hand 1014.
Around there.
Rudder control,
Bravo
that's it,
Lima, uniform,
55.
Victor,
Okay.
details correct, nothing to fetch
Oh.
taxi.
Good.
Student Academy 05, nothing to fetch backtrack. Student Academy 05, North
Ready
Weald.
to flap.
Student Academy 05, sorry, I didn't hear your last call.
Okay, you need to have a better listening watch then, nothing to fetch your backtrack.
Okay, Student Academy 05, backtracking to LP.
Weald 03, frequency change south end 130.780.
03, roger.
North Weald Radio, good afternoon, Weald 06.
06.
Weald 06 in apron to 3 POB, local to the west for a short flight, and request airfield information please.
06, runway 02, left-hand circuits, QNH1014.
02 left hand 1014, Weald 06. Student Academy 05 on the URP.
Okay, Academy 05, roger.
Watch the altitude. It's creeping up.
North Uniform Victor, backtrack.
Self Uniform Victor, nothing to fetch backtrack. Circuit traffic is midpoint downwind.
Roger, uniform Victor.
We'll then down waiting for touch and go.
Reduce power. Good.
So brakes reduced, rear fixed under carriage, mixture, brakes, run and down, oil temperature, pressure green, and hit.
Stop turning towards Epping, please. Watch your heading. You need to be more left. A little bit more left.
Student Academy 05, request radio check.
Student Academy 05, strength 5. Student Academy 05, North Weald Radio check.
World 6, request back track to RP at Pro 1.
Negative, hold.
Holding, World 6. Student Academy 05, I'm going to be waiting on the RP for a bit. I seem to have some radio problems.
Student Academy 05, how do you read?
Student Academy 05, I'm going to be waiting on the RP for a bit. I seem to have some radio problems.
Yep, can you hear me though?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Full flaps.
With that, final for touch and go.
10, wind 06010.
With that.
006 and wheel 04. Behind your company, short final touch and go, nothing to fetch backtrack.
Copy that, World 06.
Go around.
Okay, it's 04 following, and the Bravo 1 hold.
Copy the way.
04.
Continue to go around. Not all at once.
World 6 Spectre.
Call going around.
With them going to run.
Uniform Victor ready for departure.
Uniform Victor, roger, call you back.
Student Academy 05, I think I found the problem. Request a radio check.
Strength 5, have me.
Yep, I've got you. Okay. Student Academy 05 ready for departure after the aircraft backtracking.
Yeah, I'll call you in turn, someone else called before you.
Okay, Student Academy 05.
Down. Yeah.
Wheel 04, any chance you can expedite your backtrack? I've got 2 waiting to go.
Wheel 04, well call.
World 6 at the RP.
Okay, the go around. So yeah, you did the right thing, full power and all that. Drag flap, but then you kind of didn't really stop for the other flaps and then you went all at once. So just 65, pause the rate.
Golf Uniform Victor,
Yeah, don't
surface in
stop.
04,
Go on, it's not
directly.
done until it's done. Don't be too light.
Focus on the rate of climb first before.
Yeah, 65, yeah, exactly, and then you have to bring the flaps up
behind the
gradually.
grub motor glider, nothing to fetch a line up on 03.
Student Academy 05 lining up behind the grub motor glider.
We'll turn down in for touch and go.
Yep.
Brakes released. Oil temperature, pressure, and mixture reach. It's set. We are online. Still have the landing time on.
Student Academy 05, 0208.
North Weald, good afternoon, Helimed 55 Alpha starting, 5 on board about that shortly.
Helimed 55 Alpha 02 and 1014.
02 left 1014, copy, we'll give it a go in lifting, Helimed 55 Alpha. North Weald Radio, Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, inbound 2BOB from Duxford, request join information.
Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra 02 left hand circuit, QNH 1014.
QNH 1014, say again with runway please.
02.
Runway 02, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Flaps, because you left it late. Yeah, but we're still at second height, basically, we're final. You can reduce the power.
North Weald Radio, Wheel 03, inbound for Chipianga.
Wheel 03, 02 left hand circuit, QNH 1014.
02 left hand, QNH 1014, Wheel 03. Beautiful, Victor clearing to the east via Onga, 1,200 feet.
We'll turn time on for touch and go.
Having visual.
210 03010.
Well done.
You must react a bit quicker to it, yeah? Okay, idle power.
Wheel 6 at the RP, ready for departure.
Alright, fast and where's the runway? Tail power is on idle?
Idle,
Academy
yeah.
05 clear of the circuit and request frequency change to south end radar on 130.780.
Just
Academy
hold it.
05, roger.
Eyes at the end of the runway.
Wheel 03 crosswind.
Okay.
Flaps down. Arm hit off.
And who called ready? Was that 6 or 4?
It was Wheel 6, visual with the landing aircraft.
6, roger, wind 05011.
Lining up Wheel 6.
Old Foxtrot Sierra got 2 in the circuit, 1 in the climb out, 1 crosswind, and further departure began local west.
2 in the circuit, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Watch the speed.
Helimed 55 Alpha, just lifting from the pad, we're going to be departing on 02.
It's good that you look outside a lot, but you can't just be
Wheel 06,
sort of looking.
can you just hold before you roll?
We are waiting, Wheel 06.
Thanks. Element 55 Alpha, lined up traffic, giving way to you, 03010.
Much appreciated, Element 55. Wheel 03 downwind.
06, caution, possible wake, the wind 030, 10.
Copy that, Weald 06, will roll and slightly position to the right, and rolling. This is 04, ready for departure.
Weald 04, sorry, did you call ready?
04, yes, ready for departure.
Okay, company traffic timing away, the wind 05010.
04.
Foxtrot Sierra, look out for the Augusta 169, just east of Harlow, tracking westbound.
Go Foxtrot Sierra, joining downwind, contact 1 ahead. 04, landing up and taking off.
Yep.
Element 55, we're en route now, thanks for your help.
Yeah.
Weald 10, downwind for Stagical.
Go Foxtrot Sierra, downwind, contact 1 ahead.
Fixed up
Okay.
carriage, mixture recharge, temperature, pressure, green.
Weald 03, final, full stop.
03015.
Up, down. Something right. On. See the traffic on corner.
Radio, Golf Bravo Foxtrot X-ray inbound, like airfield information please.
Bravo Foxtrot X-ray 02, left hand circling, QNH 1014.
02 left hand 1014, I've got 8 to run from the southeast. And with the 6 we are departing circuit from crosswind to the west and changing the starter listening score. 120.5625, talk to you.
Watch your speed.
Weald 10, final for Stagical.
10, wind 04014.
Weald 10.
A little bit fast and high. Speed is not coming down nicely.
Alpha Radio, Golf X-ray. Golf X-ray, I've got 6 to run. My fuel cap appears to just released. It's still intact, but just to let you know, I'll be trailing some fuel.
Okay, that's all acknowledged. Set yourself up for a right base 02 then.
Right base 02, thanks. Golf X-ray.
Too much.
Golf Foxtrot Sierra, final contact with aircraft on runway.
Foxtrot Sierra, roger.
Hit off.
Full power, full power, full power. Yeah, that's excessive. Twice in a row when you... I mean, you can't even see the runway anymore. You can't see anything. It's too much, you know. And of course, you've got not much power, so you're just ballooning with it and you'll just drop heavy. You've got to be careful, yeah? Less of it.
10, North Weald, if you can, just loiter out on the downwind leg, obviously away from inhabitants, so I get this AA5 in before you.
No problem at all. Would you rather we went to on-go instead?
No, you don't have to.
Okay. So then we'll be turning crosswind and just to the west then, for downwind.
Weald 04, vacating to the east, request figures to change southbound 130.780.
Okay, I'm just trying to get things sorted out. If you're going off frequency, that's fine. I'll speak to you on your way back.
Weald 04.
Okay, so there's some sort of emergency traffic inbound. Not quite emergency, but more of an urgent call. They'll be joining right base for...
So we
02.
extend crosswind a little bit?
Yeah, we'll continue
Golf
westbound a
X-ray,
bit
X-ray,
more.
North Weald, that's circuit now clear of aircraft with the exception of one that's going to loiter for you. Which side is it, port or starboard?
Starboard side.
Okay.
Golf X-ray, approaching right there this time.
Okay. Are you happy to make a right turn onto final, or would you rather do a 270 round to the left?
Gentle right turn should be okay.
Okay, no problem. Circuit and the runway is all yours, 0307.
We can start a gentle turn, I think. Yeah, Weald 10, we're heading westbound, but we're going to start a gentle turn, heading south. I'm happy to obviously accommodate the emergency traffic.
Yeah, no problem. So it's just on a gentle turn for final now, about half a mile from the threshold.
So Roger, we're now on an extended downwind and we'll try and get visual at one time.
Okay, we will need to get on and just do a quick inspection, just check for any oils, lubricants, etc.
No problem, we're happy to either do a go around or touching on the grass one second. Do the pre-landing checks, please.
So we're released, we are released under the carriage.
X-ray, final 02. Where would you like me to charge taxi to Weald Aviation?
Landing line on.
Let's get you down first and then we'll discuss.
QNH set. Have enough fuel. So should they try like fly a little bit to the right?
Yeah, hold on a second. So maintain your altitude. So obviously we're now on an extended downwind, so it's a bit unusual. So that means we're going to be turning on some wide base, and we're in no rush to slow down just yet. So we're now just flying circuit height.
I'm concerned about that no-fly zone, right?
I know, yeah. So in some exceptional cases we can overfly a ping. I mean, we have to try and make it work. Of course, we have to turn at some point. We can't just avoid everything. Just maintain your altitude though, because what they don't want us to be is low as well. So now we can start a gentle left turn. When you're ready.
Golf X-ray, X-ray, you can do a 180 if you wish, and
Gentle left turn, please. Gentle left turn.
vacate
Left turn.
Bravo 1. The fire trucks enter in for an inspection, and then they'll follow you back.
That's copied, and backtracking to Bravo 1.
Weald 10 North Weald, runway inspection in progress on the hard. It'll be south of Bravo 1, 02 grass is available.
Oh, Roger, we're now on an expected left base and we'll be doing a touch and go on the grass. Well said.
If you time it right, you might be able to use the hard.
Roger, we'll call final and we'll take it from there. Well said. Just start slowing down now then.
Copy, X-ray now clear. And
Get this hint, he said if you time it right, that means slow down.
You're not leaking or anything now, are you?
Negative.
Okay, if you're happy to go back to parking, then that's fine. Fire crew will pop over, just doing a 180 now, so they'll follow you back.
That's copied, thanks.
Bit more power now, just so we don't descend too quickly.
We'll 10, 02 hard, wind 030, 10.
Roger, Weald 10 landing on the hard. Right, okay, so that's all done. Now fly the plane. Full flaps, watch your speed. Like I said, you don't need to overspeed quite as much because that's just extra energy. I like a high approach on the day today, but high and fast is a bit excessive. Gently lower the nose for 65, and we're looking very good now. I would give it a touch of extra power.
Yeah.
That's it, pick up the wing. That's it.
And I can start reducing. 65 looks good.
That's it, nice and gentle. Keep reducing the power. You're in no rush to go on idle, just gently reduce the power. Keep your aiming point inside, small corrections. Wind is now turned to be pretty much down the runway, there's not a huge amount of crossing correction needed. Yeah. And now just
We are on
hold it right here. Yeah, that's better. Good. So that kind of flare is needed. No more than that. Full power. Let's go. Good. It's much better.
35.
Let's do a flapless, a glide, and then full stop on the grass, yeah? Actually, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we've only got 2 more. Let's do flapless.
Flappers, okay?
North Weald Radio, hello again, Weald 06, we are 2 miles south, west of Epping, request airfield information for rejoin please.
Weald 06, runway 02, left hand circuit, skin H1014.
02 left hand 1014, Weald 06, is the circuit busy, and if not, can we join left base please?
You got an issue?
Well, not really, but we want to make sure that we keep the separation.
Well, if you talk nicely to Sabina, who's currently late downwind, she might let you.
Oh, might she? Right, perfect then. With the 6, we'll just follow Sabina then.
And Weald 10, we're late downwind. We are looking for Seljuk. I can't, we're not visual.
Probably west of Epping by about 3 or 4 miles.
Roger. Okay, we're just turning base now. Weald 10.
We are just literally west of Epping now, and we are not visual with you either.
It's fine. There's no conflict between the two of you. Weald 10 near final 0607.
Weald 10. Right. We don't know where he is. Well, whatever. We're number 1. No flaps here because we're doing flapless, but we're too fast here. So reduce the power. Reduce.
Where's the 6? We are visual with.
Idle for now. Idle. You're not at the right speed, which doesn't help here. So for now, just keep it here. Gave us the wind already. If you're tripped, just keep your hand on the throttle, please. Yeah, try not to. Don't just keep playing with the trim. You had the trim or not. That's it. And now, if we're finding ourselves a bit too low, we can pitch up because we're a little bit on the fast side here. So we can trade one for another.
Whoops.
I don't need any whoops. I need corrections here.
I did.
I don't need sound effects. Okay, yeah. So I know it was the wind. Of course, it was the wind.
And Weald 06, we are joining left base for visual 6.
Around
Still idle, yeah?
Idle.
This time, slightly less of a flare, probably about this much. Just hold it there. Good. Carb it away, full power. Let's go. That's it. And we'll tend to be handsome.
Roger, report time and away.
Full that. Lower the nose. Okay, go around, full power. Carb it. Okay, that was a really bad reaction actually. Instead of pitching up, we've discussed this. There is no time to be making these mistakes.
Weald 6 final.
Right, so what should you have done?
0012.
I was looking at the runway whether we have enough.
Right, and is he looking at the runway you're stalling or something? Come on. Yeah, so get your priorities right. Okay, but what runway? You couldn't see the runway because you're pulling back. If you want to see the runway, you have to lower the nose anyway. Okay, so remember.
Quicker and first,
yeah. Start the turn, please, start the turn. Be gentler, you pitch up too aggressively, you're a bit sort of over-controlling. A little bit aggressive on the controls. Just relax on the controls, yeah? Be fine.
So now we do it with our full stop.
Full stop on the grass, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's the 6 runway vacated?
Stop staring outside too much to the point where you're not paying attention enough what's going on inside as well. Obviously it's good that you're looking outside. Let them know we are downwind for the grass, full stop.
We'll turn downwind for full stop grass.
Last year, because you were flying last summer, did I show
North Weald
you?
Radio, Academy 06.
Did I show you any landing on the grass?
No.
Okay. it'll be my landing now to show you what it feels like on the ground. Okay, now follow me through.
I will follow him.
Yeah, follow me through. Anyway, I'll take control of the final.
014, Academy 06.
In principle, it's very much the same, but it's harder because there's no specific markings. It feels a bit differently. Treat the grass a bit differently because if the grass is long, then it depends whether it's dry or wet, and you have to think about the braking action as well as what if you get a bit sort of waterlogged and you may hit a bit of a bump. And so just be a bit careful. And once you are on the ground, full back pressure, hold the back pressure to prevent it, because it's quite bouncy there. So much for the final stage of flaps, but so the grass to the left hand side of the main runway, and they only start halfway down our runway. The taxiway Alpha 2 goes straight through the middle.
So the aiming point is different, yeah. I did it as you do.
Yeah, so you wanna, there needs to be some time. Anyway, call final for the grass, please.
We'll then find out what full stop on grass.
04014.
We'll then.
So there's to be time when we used to be able to do touch and goes on the grass. My controls. So follow me through. Yeah. And now they're not letting us do it anymore, but we were doing touch and goes, so touching down straight after the threshold and lifting off before the intersection. So that's probably less than 400 meters for the whole thing. So obviously it's much shorter than what we're used to here. Right, so we're on full flaps now, 65 knots. We've got a little bit of crosswind here and there, but so the runway, it's a bit hard to actually see where the edge is because in fact it's a bit more left than, but yeah, it's obviously considerably shorter. In fact, the condition of the runway, you'll see in a second, is quite bumpy. Yeah. So we want, in a way, a firm touchdown, but actually, because it's grass, you'll feel quite nice and cushioned. Yeah. So it'll be quite nice for you. Now, I'm keeping the aiming point very close to the threshold because I would like to touch down as close to it as possible. Now, obviously, later on, only when you're comfortable to do something quite as close to the threshold as this. Right? And now just holding it off. Power and idle. And that's it. And now see, I'm holding the back pressure, gentle braking, because I don't want to then obviously let it bounce like that too much, yeah? Best as we can. We're not in any rush to sort of come to a full stop. You have to be a little bit careful because there's all sorts of like potholes around here. So yeah, that's on the grass. Your controls now, but hold the back pressure, please. Hold the back pressure just for the grass. And we'll take Alpha 2. Once we vacated, call all the same.
Runway evacuated, Weald.
Stop here to do after landing checks, please.
Academy 06, downwind, full stop.
Roger, just got a fire truck to be crossing the runway Alpha 4 to the eastern side. Should be no conflict for you.
We'll keep a good look at Academy 06.